All right, man. You know, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna speed it up for you. But them wires, man, oh man. And trying not to burn the board, man, you just gotta bear with it, man. All right, vibe out with it. All right, so this is the point I'm trying to attach the leg. You know, and watched the previous video, man, and he was repairing the leg and everything else. So he used some tape to try to bundle the wires together. Man, it's a small spot, like really, really, really small. To try to thread that wire through those wires. But you know, with some patience, I got it done. So yeah, right about now I'm separating the wires. They got think about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So about 8 connections on that motherboard. And that motherboard is consistent of like 3 or 4 separate boards and they could join. So each board, found out each board represents a different part. One's for the antenna, one's for the LED lights, the other one's for the motor control, and the other one is for the gyro, I believe. But doing my best trying not to burn this board, and you know, do a little desolder, try to pull the rest of that the old wires out. And pull the old solder out, and then get the new lead soldered in. So yeah, around this time, my cordless soldering gun, it started failing on me. Well, not failing, but it wouldn't stay consistently hot, and my battery started dying on it. So yeah, I had to take a break in between recording. You know what I mean? But after taking a break, letting it get some charge, I mean, we got the rolling then, man. So thought I had enough solder on the boards, but I decided to add a little bit more solder to it just to be careful with it, be on the safe side. You know what I mean? You see me putting the flux on it, making sure I get a good connection. Man, we almost done. So I most definitely didn't realize that my camera was facing the front. Anyway, just a rundown. What's going on, what had happened. Yeah, we back up and running. We up and running. We ready. We got the lights on. Strobe lights. FAA certified. Got them on the wings. Get the idea. Just dressed up. Color guards. So from ARC, Amazon. Find them at Amazon. Most definitely. Them. Landing gear, skids. You know what I'm saying? All of it come off real quick detachment. No space to fit in the carrying case. Fit in the zip compartment. Man, that's it, bro. Took too long. Something. Now we will move on. Six five, man. Oh yeah, let's not forget about the fun. Right there. Yeah. I'm gonna get that 3-axis Joker. I'm gonna have it. Don't worry about it. We're gonna get it. We gotta start somewhere though. Still got zoom. You know what I'm saying? Still got stabilization, you know what I'm saying? Vibration or whatever. It does move real time. I don't know. Let me see if we can do it. Let's see. Yeah, you get pictures. Let's see if these lights come on.
From a long way away, I'll take risks. Swing round that corner.